Wapi makofi ya Simy? I can tell you Asego wapi nuru? Tuende pamoja. Pande hii tafadhali, kila mtu mikono juu tafadhali. Mikono juu, mikono juu, mikono juu. Pande hii yote tafadhali mikono juu. Haya, katikati twende pamoja, my super DJ from the top. Twende. Asego Kayada wapi nuru? Thank you so much, hold it, my super DJ. Tuketi tafadhali, jipigeni makofi ya Asego Kanyada. Wow. Give yourself a round of applause one more time. And I want you to turn to your neighbor. Tell your neighbor, welcome to the county of endless potentials. This is county number 43. Inaitwa aje? Homa Bay County. Just turn to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, welcome to the county of what? This is the county of endless potential. When joy to your brother, meet. Eke jumati yebueka, tingna urubadu malo. Ina noki kaka wenge giler. Wow, Asego, you have done me proud. Gimarach nikoro iwache to indako wadigi. Can you give yourself a round of applause? Jipigeni makofi Asego Kanyada. You have done myself proud. Asego umorande. Kenda mor mar biro ka kawuono. Omiyo wacho gani ONAGI show wa mora ngowa. ONAGI show wa mora ngowa. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy to see a lot of people who I know at personal level, and moko bende mosero meyore mopogore ko thuolo mondo migi bi mondo wa mora ngowa kanyakla. I'm so happy to see Honorable Olago Aluoch ndani ya nyumba. Let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, the team from Renegade Hair, led by my able brother, Mr. Patrick Okage, doing amazing job to make sure that we fly differently. Let's give him a round of applause. And we are also glad to have the team from Shining Hope for Communities, the Shofko team, always doing amazing job to uplift our society and communities. Let's give them a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, not forgetting the team from Siaya Kababa, wanaitwa Kababa Unga Limited. Let's give them a round of applause. And as you all know, every time we smile courtesy of the best dental clinic in Kenya right now, which is sijasikia vizuri. Every time we smile courtesy of the best dental clinic in Kenya right now, which is mpaka mbunge anajua. Tuwapigie makofi Dr. Shemra Kewa Dental Clinic. These are some of the teams that make sure that this show runs every first Friday of the month. Sinaweza? So I'm also happy to see my high school teachers. Not even one, or even two, or even three. Do we have any teacher who has been to Oriwo Boys High School here? Tuko na wao wangapi? How many are they? Tuko na wa maths kweli? Tuko na wa maths kweli? Wa Kiswahili? Wanasemaga watu waume hawajui nini? Atikipeje ni punde si punde, tujisi ni punde au dhikaje? I'm so happy to see my former deputy. Ba kakoren sangwen. Auchi alidhi timo nango. So I'm so happy to see my former deputy principal academics, Mr. Joshua Ochogo. Let's give him a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Kuna suspension fulani alinipea. Nikaenda nyumbani, nikaleta barbed wire na nini? Cedar post. Hiyo si ni pesa nilitumia shuleni. Leo ametumia pesa wapi? And we also have Mr. Ogembo Modekai. Thank you so much, always. He is the only teacher who can make you believe that agrarian revolution is useful in your life. Will be useful. And of course, we also have Mr. Yug in the house. Thank you so much.